because of
the second prize goes.
the doctors told me because of the wild animals. That's why dogs that we have at home supposed to have rabies. So in case most of you are dog lovers, or most of you have, you may also in the past used to keep squirrels when we were boys, small boys. When we get squirrels from the forest, we also keep squirrels. And now we know that squirrels are also very dangerous. So what I want to just say is this: any animals, if one is bitten by any animal, can consult your doctor. Do not go to any what you call this copyright. Please do not go to these copyright. Yes. Copyright. Ini